Hello everybody, so I am checking the guidance for the month of June for all the signs. Okay, so let's see what each sign is coming, what kind of a guidance fairies want to give it to you. Okay, and yeah, if you have any comments, if you have any suggestion to improve this session, to improve this reading, you can definitely message me on Instagram or comment about it. Okay, so let's see how it is. Even you can comment on this video as well. Okay, let's see. For each sign we'll check and pick a card, and when we see that how things are for them for the month of June 2020. Okay, cool. So let's see. So let's start with Aquarius, the first sign which we are gonna check for guidance in Aquarius. Cool. Okay, so for Aquarius, we have a card. We have a card for inspiration. Okay, so be prepared as you will soon receive a visit from a fairy of inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she can pull call at any time. Okay, so what does it mean? Some work is there which you want to do, or you need an inspiration which you're gonna get in this month. Okay, so you're gonna feel something which you're thinking to do, you're gonna find some kind of a hint from someone, any book or any music or from anywhere, any kind of a sign, and you will gonna get a guidance. Okay, like maybe you want something A and B, so you will eventually know with some kind of a hint, in a some way, some communication gonna happen from God or universe, whatever you believe in, and you will know where you should move. You're gonna get a lot of inspired, and you're gonna be like know what is right thing to do. Okay, so this is a card for Aquarius for the month of June for 2020. Let's see for next sign, which is Pisces. Okay, so let's see for Pisces. Okay, let's see for Pisces. Oops. Okay, cool. So let's see for Pisces. For Pisces, we have this card, which is music, which is healing. Okay, so what music is telling, listen carefully, for there may be a message in music you hear. Music can lift your soul, rekindle memories, and charm life you do. There's some kind of message you're gonna get about something via music. Okay, or I just did Pisces reading, so in the June month it's mostly about healing and spiritual growth for Pisces. So I would think that music is gonna contribute in your life in some way. Okay, or it will guide you, or maybe it will make you feel better about a certain situation, about yourself or about somebody you're dealing with. Okay, so music, listen to kind of a music which you like, understand them, just don't play it, and feel good about you, about your entire situation. Okay, and yeah, that's what is music is gonna heal you within, and it's going to guide you and make you feel better for the month of June. Okay, let's check out the next sign, Cancer. Let's check it out for Cancer. What is the guidance for Cancer? What is the guidance for Cancer? What is the guidance for Cancer? Let's check it out. Okay, so for Cancer it is find balance, Cancer. Find balance. Okay, find the balance between your work, rest, and play time. You will have more energy, harmony, productivity in your life. Take a power nap. It's This month fairies are telling you to have a balance in your love, relationship, your career, or your mind, or your work, money. Okay, you're having a lot of things to do, you're thinking a lot of things to do. Maybe in a certain area, maybe in a work you're thinking, I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll do A B C D E F. But it's time to have set your priorities. Think whatever you should do at this moment of a time, what is the need of an hour, and go and do that. Okay, you will find a guidance in this term, finding a balance from fairies. Okay, but right now, to focus in this month is to how to manage things very well in your life. Okay, so yeah, this is it. Let's check things now for Scorpio. Okay, we are done Pisces, Cancer. Now we'll do Scorpio. Let's see what is a guidance message for Scorpio for the month of June 2020. Okay, for the June 2020. Okay, cool. What is that then? What is that for Scorpio? What is that for Scorpio? Please, one card, please, for Scorpio's guidance for this month. One card, please, for Scorpio's guidance for this month. One card, please, for Scorpio guidance. Pure intention. Okay. The for Scorpio, it is fairy of manifestation will help you to use your wishes wisely. Manifest your heart desire with pure intention for the highest good of all. So it's telling you to clean your karma, Scorpio. Okay, it's telling you that have a right intention for whatever things you wanna get. Have a positive thought in your mind, whatever you want to get into your life. It can be related to anything: love, relationship, or career, or spiritual, or your health, or your family, or your kid, anything. So have a clear mindset that what you really want. Do not have any kind of a confusion, and have the pure heart. That's what, right? Pure intention. So have that mindset that whatever you want is gonna definitely happen. Just have that patience in this month, and make sure you are clear with the things what you're looking for, and do not involve with the wrong karma. It means that do not do harm or hurt anybody, not even yourself. Do not go into that negative thoughts. Okay, so this is all it's about for Scorpio. Now let's see, let's go for Gemini. Okay, let's go for Gemini. Gemini, Gemini, Gemini. What is the guidance message for you? What is the guidance message for Gemini? What is the guidance message for Gemini? I just have habit of shuffling cards quite often. So transformation Gemini, I think it's so accurate because I have somebody very close who's Gemini, and it's really right for Gemini, I would say. Transformation, the fairy tell you to surrender to transformation in your life that's happening for your highest good. Embrace your transformation, the best is yet to come. So whatever is the changes happening Gemini in your life, this is a major hit transformation, okay, for you. Take this positively. Take this that this is happening for your own good changes, and this is something which is life changing. Okay, this is not something a small changes. This is a life changing things, and it is happening for your own good, and positive mindset and happy mind. You should be doing it in this entire month for this transformation to happen, and feel good in this entire thing. You're anyways gonna feel good after once this is done, and all the issues related to relationship going to be in place, or in going to be stable. Okay, because this is a major hit on your life this month. Okay, so take it, and it's a Gemini month as well, June. So happy birthday, Gemini. Thank you so much. So let's check it out for Virgo now. Virgo, okay, Virgo. Yo, Virgo, okay. Virgo, 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 Virgo. Okay. Okay, so this is for Virgo. One more card. Believe in magic, Virgo. So open your eye and see the magic that all around in nature. The fairy of northern lights say you are part of a nature, so you are magical too. So I feel that right now you're feeling kind of little not very good, Virgo. Okay, and you kind of now you're feeling that you're not very much believing in the universe and its powers and the god and whatever around you, in yourself and like that. So what the fairies are telling you to believe that whatever dreams you have is going to be settled, and things are going to be settled, and the dreams you are dreaming is going to be fulfilled someday. But you need to believe in it positively. You have to believe in it right now. It's time to have that believe in you, because I could see there is a lack. That's why this month is all about focus and believing in your dreams and your desires. Okay, so yeah, this is a guidance for you. Okay, so yeah, now it's time for Leo. So let's check it out. Leo, what is there for Leo? Okay, what is there for Leo? Leo. So Leo, what is there for you? Huh? What guidance do you have? Moderation. You need to take care of yourself, Leo. You are focusing a lot of certain things which is definitely must be priority in your life, but priority is your health right now. Okay. In this, something you know you shouldn't be eating, try to eat mindfully and healthy, although the fairies say the little bit of what you fancy is fine. So it's telling that you need to eat properly, you need to take care of your health, take care of your mental health, take care of your spiritual health, financial, relationship related health. Everything you need to take care right now. Focus should be on yourself. This is a card for self love. The self love is needed for this month. Take care of yourself and feel good about yourself. Do something which will boost your self confidence as well. I am feeling so yeah, it's about you, all about you this month, June. Okay, this is for Leo. Let's check it for Capricorn. Let's check it out for Capricorn. Capricorn is here. Lost and found for Capricorn. What was once lost is about to found, thanks to the lost and found fairy. Sometimes she can help you find we never even realized we're lost. So I feel it's about something we don't know, something hidden is going to come up, and you're gonna find yourself, you're gonna find something about someone which is gonna guide you in a right direction. Something like this can be seen. So it's telling that help. Okay, sometimes she can help. So this fairy is gonna help you find that thing which you were not able to find on your own. If you're gonna get a certain kind of a guidance about something which you are looking for from pretty long time, maybe some kind of an answer from somebody or something from yourself, or about a certain situation, you're gonna find in this month. And you just need a focus and you need to find that hint. Okay, you need to be focused to find those hint. Okay, so careful this month and try to notice things around you, because the guidance is coming from fairies about the question which you were looking for a very long time. Okay, so now we will do for Aries. Let's check for Aries. Okay, Aries. Aries. Okay, this is for Aries. Star gazing. Okay, when you gaze at the star, you give yourself fairly focus. Your intuition will flow fairly and reveal that what you need to know about the situation. You yourself is your guide, okay? Paris is telling that your inner person, your inner self is going to guide you for the situation, about the confusion right now which you have in your life, is gonna guide you, okay? So follow your intuition and believe in that, believe in yourself, okay? That is what is the guidance for this month. And just go into nature and try to focus, try to understand what your inner self is telling to yourself, okay? If you will be stable in your mind, you will eventually know that what you really want, okay? Or maybe what your inner self want from yourself. So that is really important. So this is a guidance for this month. Now we go for Sagittarius. Okay, Sagittarius. One card for Sagittarius, please. One card for Sagittarius. One card for Sagittarius, please. One card for Sagittarius, please. One card for Sagittarius. Okay. Okay. So abundance. I think it's a happy time, Sagittarius, for you. And prepare yourself for incoming abundance. Release any mental block you may have in. Fairy and human land, there is enough abundance for everybody. So there is enough, there are a lot of things are coming in, Sag. And you need to open your mind that it's coming, and you need to believe in that it's there, right there in front of your door. And you just should be ready to receive now, okay? You should have that clear mindset of whatever you have wished for is right there and I'm ready to receive. You should have that positive mindset. So this is a guidance that prepare yourself, right? It's written, it's prepare yourself. Oops. So yeah, so prepare yourself. So be ready for that happy times, because the things which you are hoping from all these days is right here. So yeah, this is the all reading, all the guidance for the all the signs. Hope I have not missed any. So yeah, so all the best, and if you like it, you can subscribe and follow me at Instagram Magic Tarot Read. It is magic underscore tarot underscore read. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so let's check for Taurus and Libra because I missed them in the earlier video. So Taurus guidance and Libra guidance. Okay, first we'll do for Taurus. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it for Taurus. Cool. Okay, so first card for Taurus, we have a light. Okay, the fairy queen of a light comes to shade love and light onto your current situation, to remind you that light can penetrate the darkness. So you know what it means, Taurus? It means that you are in some kind of a dark situation in which you are thinking that there is no hope. I am not able to get out. I will never able to get out. But this month you're gonna have that one single hope, that one single idea which is going to change your life forever. Okay, you just need to concentrate and focus on that one idea which will be coming to your head, because the fairies is going to show you that guidance this month. Okay, if you see, you can read this. Okay, so that one single light or one single idea is coming this month. This is your guidance for this month, June 2020. Okay, for Taurus. And for Libra, now we'll go and check it out for Libra. Libra. Okay, fairy spotting for Libra. Okay, it's time to go fairy spotting. It is said that seeing is believing in it, but it's the fact that opposite is to believing is seeing. So this is my favorite card, about which I've already explained in my one of the video in my profile and Instagram. So Libra, for you this means you see a lot of things around you happening, okay, and you're thinking that is what is true, but that is wrong. In this month you should focus on your heart and you should focus on your dream, the things which you really want about with somebody or maybe with certain situation or in your career. You should believe only the things which you want to believe in. Maybe your around situation will tell something else, but don't listen to those around situation. So this month you should focus on your believe and focus on your own dreams, because eventually with time that is only going to get true if you will be believing rightly and having the right mindset and positive mindset. So guidance for this month will be for you Libra for June 2020 will be believing in your dreams. You should believe in your dreams with your whole heart, and eventually that is only going to get true. So okay, so I guess it is done for everybody and hope you like it. And yeah, thank you.